Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made these, I would say neon green or apple green, little simple French blinged out press-on nails. Today we're starting off with our standard extra long coffin nails, and we're going right in with this green. Like I said in the intro, I don't know if this is a neon green or like an apple green, but I really like it. Okay, and as y'all see, I skipped that one nail in the middle finger, because I'm actually going to make that a French tip. So I'm going to paint the nude on, and then I'm going to do the next hand, pop it in the dryer, and then we'll be right back. Alright, those are out the dryer. Now we're just going to do the second coat, and then we're going to go on to doing the French tip. Okay, now that these are out the dryer, I took the two nude nails and I actually buffed them off camera, and I put on the French nail form. Next, I'm just going to paint them like I would do any other French nail, but I'm just using the lime green. Sorry I'm out of focus and I'm out of camera a little bit, but it fixes as we go on. Okay, two coats and they're out the dryer. Now I'm just going to take off the forms, and I actually went off camera and I buffed and cleaned up the French tip. Okay, now you see that those are done. Now I'm just going to take my big crystals and I'm going to do a crystal design on the French tip parts. My mind went blank for a second. Alright, so you know I love bling, but I really wanted to keep this simple, so I just did a big stone on the French tip, and then I went in and put some smaller stones on the side. And for the other nails that do not have the French tip, I just took the same size of the little stones and put them on the cuticles of the nails. Alright, now all the stones are on, so we're just gonna pop this into the dryer. I did a top coat on all of the nails off camera. And here is the complete try set. They look so good. I really like them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.